welcome to all of you in Mahendras.com. Your success is our success. Today we are here for the discussion of SSC number 88 CGL Tier 1. Before starting the discussion, I would like to inform you that most of the candidates are saying that still they are unaware about the latest update regarding tricks as well as exams. So if you want all the latest update related to your exams and all the related information regarding each tricks and tip, each tricks, either it will be of English or it will be of maths or any other subject. So do remember, subscribe our YouTube channel so that you will get all the latest information regarding your upcoming examination as well as all the tricks, all the STs which we are going to provide you. So that's all about it. Let's move towards the ST. Today's discussion is about SC number 88, SSC CGL Tier 1, and our subject is General Intelligence and Reasoning. As you can see here, this question is based on number series, and generally 2 or 3 marks question will be asked in your examination from number series. First try to analyze all the numbers like 50, 30, 40, 75, 170, and what will come next. Now what you supposed to do, read each and every numbers and then decide what type of tricks we can implement over here. Now after analyzing the question, what will we get, what are the information what we will get from here, we will get that second number, as you can see here, is 30 is written over here. If second number is just near of half of your first number and third number is just exceed of second number, then that will be a method of half pattern series. And as the name indicate, if the series is based on half pattern, then you are supposed to multiply it by 0.5. And what rest you supposed to do? You supposed to do either it will be addition or it will be a subtraction. It totally depends on the nature of your question. Now as you can see here, after multiply by 50 into 0.5, you will get 25. Now, as per the demand of question, what is written over here? 30 is written over here. Now you have to add 5 if you want to reach 30. Now next term will be 40. If you want to reach 40 from 30, now you're supposed to multiply it by 1. Then you have to add 10 if you want to reach 40. Next will be, as per the pattern you can see here, multiply by 0.5 plus 5. Next multiply by 1 plus 10. Next will be multiply by 1.5 and plus 15. If you multiply 40 into 1.5, you will get 60, and after adding the 15 into 60, you will get 75. Next will be 75 multiplied by 2 plus 20. If you multiply 75 into 2, you will get 150, and after adding 150 to plus 20, you will get 170. If you want to solve this question, then you have to multiply 170 into 2.5, and last you have to add 25 over here. 170 into 2, you will get 340. 170 into 0.5, you will get 85, and last but not the least, you have to add 25. Now final output will be 450. So this is the right answer of your question. Let's move on towards the next question. As I have told you earlier, first analyze that what are the question is demanding from you. After analyzing the question, what will we get from here? We will get these two numbers like 24 and 60. As you can easily find that these two numbers are just near of cube, like 3 cube and 4 cube. This number is 3 cube minus 3 and this number is 4 cube minus 4. So your pattern is cube minus 3, cube minus 4. Like 120 is 5 cube minus 5. Here 4 cube minus 4. Again 3 cube minus 3. First 2 cube minus 2. And first will be 1 cube minus 1. So next will be 6 cube minus 6. If you cube the 6 cube of 6 is 216. And minus 6 will be, you will get 210. So right answer of your question will be 210. How you can get your answer? To remember that first analyze the numbers which is going to tell you that 24 and 60. These two numbers are just near of cube, like 3 cube and 4 cube. Next, let's proceed towards the next question. 2, 7, 36, 175, 696. What will come next? After analyzing the question, the trick which we can implement over here is 3 is based on multiplication. How can we get easily say that this is a series of multiplication? Then do remember, if suddenly number increase in bulk, then that will be a series of multiplication. Like you can see here, 175 to 696. There is a huge difference between these two numbers, so we can say that this is a series of multiplication. Now, if you multiply 175, if you want to reach 696 from 175, then you have to multiply it by 4. If you multiply 175 into 4, you will get 700, and after minus 4, you will get 690. Next, if you multiply 36 into 5, you will get 180, and after subtracting it from minus 5, you will get 175. And just before it, multiply by 6, minus 6. If you multiply 7 into 6, you will get 42, and after subtracting from 42 minus 6, you will get 36. So first will be multiply by 7 minus 7. So next number will be multiply by 3 minus 3. 696, if you want to multiply 696 into 3, you have to divide it into 3 parts, 600, 90 and 6. 600 into 3, you will get 1800. 90 into 3, you will get 270, and 6 into 3, you will get 18. This is the easiest method of multiplication. Do remember, if you are unable to multiply it in a certain way, then divide it into 2 or 3 parts, so that it will be easy for you for getting the right multiplication. Next, what will you get? You will get 2088. Now you have to subtract it minus 3. Then final output will be 2085. So right answer of your question will be option number B. Do remember, how will you get the question answer? First analyze the question, then try to implement the trick over there, so that you will get the final output like 2085. Let's move on towards the next question. If in a certain coding language Sing is coded as UMTO, then what will be code of James in that coding language? First of all, if you want to solve the question of coding decoding, do remember 2 things. First, place value of all the letters, and second, opposite of letter. Like Sing is coded over here. Sing is written as UMTO. Now if you want to solve the question, first try to write down the place value of each and every letter. S will be 19, I will be 9, N will be 14, and G will be 7. 19, 9, 14, 7, U 21, M 13, T 20, and O 15. Now you can easily analyze the pattern. 19 and 21 difference will be plus 2. 9 and 13 difference will be plus 4. 14 and 20 difference will be plus 6. And last, 7 and 15 difference will be plus 8. So you can easily analyze the pattern. This is the difference of plus 2, plus 4, plus 6, plus 8. We are again going to tell you that if you are aware of position of letter of all the position of letters, then you can easily solve the question like here. 10 plus 2 will be 12, and the L will come in the place of 12. 1 plus 2, 3, and C will come in place of third. 13 plus 1 plus 4, you will get E. 13 plus 6, you will get S, because S position of S is 19. Next will be 5 plus 8, you will get 13, and 13 will be M. Last but not the least, 19 plus 10 will be 29, but letter is 26, so you have to minus the 29 minus 6, you will get 3, and the place value of C is 3. So right answer of this question will be LESMC, which is written over here in option number 2. Let's move on towards the next question. Again, this question is based on coding and decoding. As you can see here, code of solid is 59638. As you can see here, 5 letters are written over here. If question is based on 5 letter, then first try to solve the middle letter. How can we get 6 from L? Opposite of L will be O and place value of O is 15. After adding 1 plus 5 you will get 6. As per the question, you will try to solve the opposite of S and place value of S will be 8, which is written in last. So first is related to last, that's why last will be related to first. Opposite of D will be W and place value of W is 23. After adding 2 plus 3 we will get 5. Opposite of O will be L and place value of L is 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. Next, I, opposite of I is R, place value of R is 18. 1 plus 8, what will we get? We will get 9. So this is the basic pattern. If you are aware about the place value, so you can easily solve the question. First try to solve the mid part. Opposite of O is L and place value of L is 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. First should be last. Opposite of S will be H and place value of H is 8. Opposite of E, it will be V and place value of V is 22. 2 plus 2 we will get 4. Opposite of T is G and place value of G is 7. And last, opposite of N is M and place value of M is 13. If we add 13 into 3 plus 1 we will get 4. So right answer of your question will be 4, 4, 3, 7, 8, which is written over here in option number first. Do remember one thing, if you want to solve all the question related to your coding and decoding part, do remember two things. First, position of all the letters, and second one is opposite of letters. Let's move on towards the next question. In a row, position of Shashank is 7th from left and position of Vikas is 11th from right. If only Abhineet is sitting between them, then find out what could be minimum number of strength of this row. This question is based on order and ranking, and what is the key point which in this question is, we want to tell you this word is the key point is only. Examiner wants to tell you that only Abhineet is sitting between both of them, and what he want minimum strength. We can arrange it into two manner. First, left Shashank 7, right Vikas 11, and mid one is Abhineet. This is the first basic pattern. And second pattern is Shashank is 7th, Abhineet is 11th from right, Vikas is 11th from right, and mid one is Abhineet. If 7th number is Shashank from left, so we can say 6th number is Abhineet from left. So this will be 5th from left, that Vikas is 5th from left corner and 11th from right corner. We are again going to tell you that examiner wants to tell you that if only Abhineet is sitting between Vikas and Shashank, then what could be minimum number of strength of this row? So minimum number of strength of this row will be 11 plus 5 minus 1. What will we get? We will get 15. So 15 could be the minimum number of strength of this queue. Why 15 is minimum? Because examiner is saying only Abhineet is between Vikas and Vikas and Shashank. So right answer of this question will be 15, which is written on option number first. Let's move on towards the next question. In a row, position of Ashish is 7th from the top and position of Gunjan is 10th from the bottom. If Praveen is sitting exactly between both of them, then find out what could be minimum number of strength of this row. Do remember, in the last question they have said only Abhineet is between these two. In this time they haven't mentioned these names, that is only. So we have to analyze the minimum number of strength of this row. As you can see here, Ashish is 7th from the top and Gunjan is 10th from the bottom, and Praveen is sitting exactly between both of them. So if we arrange these thing in this number, if we arrange 10 chair in this class, so as per the condition number first, Ashish is 7th from the top and Gunjan is 10th from the bottom. It means if Gunjan is 10th from the bottom, it means Gunjan is first from the front, because we are going to analyze what could be minimum number of strength of this row. If you want to analyze the strength in minimum pattern, then you supposed to do the calculation in very sophisticated manner, very precise manner. So like Ashish is 7th from the top, Gunjan is 10th from the bottom, and Praveen is sitting exactly between both of them. It means, as you can see here, two people are above and two people are below Praveen. It means Praveen is sitting exactly between Ashish and Gunjan. Why Praveen is exactly between Ashish and Gunjan? Because only two chairs are vacant over here and two chairs are vacant over here. It means Praveen is sitting exactly between Ashish and Gunjan. So right answer of this question will be 10. That minimum number of strength of this cube will be 10 after fulfill the condition which is written in your question. So right answer of your question will be option number 3rd, that is written over here, C. Let's move on toward the next question. What will come in place of question mark? This is a question of numbers, missing number. As you can see, 3 column is you can see over here 3 column are there and 3 row are there. First try to solve the question. How you can solve the question? Question is how you can analyze and react toward the question. The first method, the first basic pattern is, if number is above in vertical manner, then try to solve the question in vertical manner. If value is higher in horizontal manner, then try to solve the value of horizontal manner. Like you can see here, what is written over here? 18, and what is written over here? 26. Then 26 is greater than 18. Then first try to solve the question is horizontal manner. Then how can you get 26 with the help of 12 and 10? After adding 12 plus 10, you will get 22. But what is written over here? 26. It means 22 plus 4. Let's try. It will implement in second row or not? 16 plus 5, 21. But it cannot be implemented over here. So try to change your thought. Now, what can be the method so that you can try 26 out of 12 plus 10? Now, if you divide 12 by 2 and if you multiply 10 into 2, you will get 26. How you can get 26? 12 divided by 2, you will get 6. 10 into 2, you will get 20. So final output will be 20 plus 6 is 26. Now try to check the method, it will implement in second row or not. 16 divided by 2, you will get 8. 5 into 2, you will get 10. After adding 8 plus 10, you will get 18. Last, what you supposed to do? 18 divided by 2, you will get 9. 14 into 2, you will get 28. 28 plus 9, the final output will be 37. So right answer of your question is 37. Let's move on toward the next question. You can see here 702 is written over here. You have to make 702 with the combination of these 4 things. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 8, 27. 27 is square of 27 is 729. You have to be aware about all the square and cubes. If you want to get 702, what you supposed to do? You have to subtract 27 from 7 to 9. Now you will get the result. You can see you will get 702. So next, what you supposed to do? After adding these 4 numbers, try to square of that number and subtract that number from the square number. Like 6 plus 5, 11, plus 4, 15, plus 8, 23. Is square of 23 is 529. And if you want to minus 23 from 529, you will get the result, that is 506, which is written in option number 3rd. So right answer of your question will be 506. Let's proceed toward the last question of today's essay discussion. As you can see here, 33 is written over here. First, if we add these two numbers, these two number addition will be 11. 11 into 3, what will we get? We'll get 33. 12 plus 8, 20. If we multiply 20 into 3, we will get 60. But 60 is not written in your option. Now what you supposed to do? You have to think logically, think little bit different. Like a square of 4 is 16 and a square of 7 is 49. If we subtract 16 from 49, we will get 33. Now try to implement this pattern in this format, that after implementing it we will get the right answer or not. A square of 8 will be 64 and a square of 12 it will be 144. If we subtract 64 from 144, we will get 80. Let's see that 80 is written in your option or not. Yes, 80 is written in your option, which is written in option number 2nd. So this is the right answer of your question. That's all about today's discussion. We hope you will get all the things which we are going to tell you, that in this ST what you will get from here. You will get all the tricks related to number series or missing number and order and ranking, as well as coding and decoding. So we can say that if you want all the latest updates, as you are saying that still you are unaware about the tricks, latest trick either of inequality or slogs or puzzle, so do remember, do watch and do subscribe our YouTube channel, so that you will get all the latest update related to your exam or related to all the latest trick. That's all about today's discussion. Thank you.